हाँ जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। हाँ जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो उसने जाना। उड़ली 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 उड़ली। Dear viewers, giving to informations the first yodeling songs of first Rajesh Khanna, first superstars Indian cigarettes. Giving to informations first Kishore, the first yodeling song for the 1969 films Aradhna, and these is a great Mahanaiks Kishore, the Indian cigarettes, multi-talented singers and yodelings is great masters and experts in Kishore. The giving to informations. Please first of all welcome to subscribe my YouTube channels. How the yodeling styles of the Rajesh Khanna films giving to information songs, Hindi geet संगीत अंतरा रिवाइजिंग जस्ट लाइक टू। दोस्तों आप सबका स्वागत है और गीत संगीत के साथ जुड़े रहें और इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखें। एंड हाउ द yodeling styles of the Aradhna films 1969, these films was published to 1971's these songs come to Bollywood's giving to you can see to dates Bollywood songs Kishore these are first songs for the Rajesh Khanna. This was very super but there is a great incident when Kishore want to see to Rajesh Khanna 1 hour day sitting and after take day, and there is this different expressions and gestures to know to Kishore is the great multi-talented singer to is understand to his Rajesh Khanna styles and give to informations great songs just like to। हाँ जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो उसने जाना। हाँ जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो उसने जाना। Just like to there is different yodeling styles, but to our head sides just like to चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। पीछे रह जाएगा ये ज़माना, यहाँ कल क्या हो उसने जाना। हाँ जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो उसने जाना। उड़ली 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 उड़ली। There is this first yodelings these songs in 1917 this film come to, and but other films Rajesh Khanna ke geet sangeet others for giving to informations other songs in just like to there is a different yodeling styles Kishore just like to ye mast ke nazare to aise चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के निशाने लिए। These songs there is a great yodelings you can see to on YouTube on different yodeling styles of Kishore for the Rajesh Khanna, and there is the expression, there is the face expressions because the great kings talented singers Kishore understand to expressions in the origin sides of all the hero gestures, the body language and expressions, and there is styles, lifestyles, and also the variety in inner sides to understand to all expressions, eyesights, and also the lip styles of Rajesh Khanna. But Kishore is the multi-talented singer giving to information first yodeling song for Rajesh Khanna. In this way you can practice yodeling. Thank for watching.